So this is a little Joynity refresher. Joynity is short for the Joy Trinity. And what that is, we'll start with the 6 joyful truths. Behind every action, no matter how good or bad it looks on the surface, is actually only made of joy. From a mother caring for her kid to Hitler killing people, all of them were seeking joy. Joy is the substance below that, and what that's called is joy monism. That means reality is only made of one substance, and that substance is joy. If something is not joyful or it feels bad, it does not exist. The worse it feels, the less it exists. The better it feels, the more it exists, because the more joy it is. It's just a matter of density, just like there's only brightness and dimness, but there's only light. There's no dark-ons. There's only heat. There's no cold-ons. There's only electrons that give heat. There's no ignorance particle. There's only bits of information. This is called the positive ontology within science, that reality is only made of positive substances. And taken to the extreme, there is no suffering, trauma, misery. There is only joy, or what you could call a joyticle, a joy particle. There is no misery particle. And so back to the 6 joyful truths. Everything is made of only joy. And so the 2nd joyful truth is, therefore, it must be a particle. The 3rd joyful truth is, if the whole universe is only made of joy particles or joyticles, then where our universe comes from, where universes are born, must be the joy source as well, and full of joy as well. The 4th truth. Fractals are the shape of nature, and so this higher dimensional place where universes are birthed from is likely also a fractal. Fractals being infinite branching that's from our lungs to roads, rivers, mountain ranges, trees, our neural makeup. Everything is fractal in nature. And so this higher dimension is likely one too. We could call it the joy tree. And what grows on joy trees are joy fruits. That's our universe. And the fruit metaphor also is apt because it also explains what dark energy, dark matter, and ordinary matter is. 68%, 27%, and 5%, respectively. So the joy juice, that's the joy, or the dark energy, it's 68% of our universe. It expands it like a fruit. The juice flows in and makes our universe bigger. Dark matter, 27%, that's the joy pulp. It holds galaxies together, it gives structure. And the 5% we can see, that's the skin of the fruit, or the joy skin, which we can see, measure, interact with. That's planets, people, stars, all that physical stuff. So if we map that ratio over to the 3 parts we have, it would be 68% joyticles in the higher dimension. It would be 27% the joy tree, which gives structure to the multiverse, and then the 5% would be the joy fruits that grow on it, which is physical universes like our own, 5%. And so that's where we get the joy trinity from. That would be the joyticles, the joy tree, and then the joy fruits, or the joytopia, which is our world. That's where you get joynity from. That's the ultimate truth.